Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you how you can use stamps to create your own patterns for your titles and word art in your scrapbooking and your card making projects. Here I am preparing a stamped piece of paper that uses stripes. So this is a very simple striped pattern, and first I am going to create a kind of a gingham pattern, and then next I will create just a simple stripe pattern because all of these can be used in various ways. I end up using these papers to either die cut some of my my titles that I put on my scrapbook projects, or to I can also use my silhouette to cut out a title or a word, and then usually I would end up stamping later. Here I am turning the stamp around, you see, and so that I can create a gingham style pattern by just adding another layer of stripes, but the other way around. So anyway, so I'm using this, then I can either cut things with my silhouette and then stamp on there, or I can use my die cut, so I have alpha dies and all that, so I can use different ways. Then I have choices of how I want to use it. I can use it as in a straight way, or I can use it at an angle. Either way will work fine. And so there's lots of different ways of how you can use these stamps, simple stamps, that just have a pattern and nothing else, to utilize them for your scrapbooking projects. Here's another one. I'm just using a star. So this, I'm creating a little star background here. It could be anything. It could be hearts. It could be a flower. It could be whatever I choose. But here in this case, I chose stars because I'm working on an American themed scrapbook layout, and so I wanted to have a kind of a stars and stripes kind of title. And so here again, all I need to do is just make sure that I cover enough so that the full paper will be covered, that will be used for these die cut pieces. There you see I'm going to use some these metal dies that are like flags. So this is another way of how you can use your stamps to create a fun little pattern there. Obviously you could also use your pattern paper, but I often find that if I use my pattern paper that it will get the alpha will get lost in it. So here you see the two different alphas working together. So this one is one part of the alpha and the title, and here's the second part of the title. Together it creates a stars and stripes kind of title. Another way is to use it at an angle. Here for the number, you see I have the same stripes but at an angle. Here I have a gingham pattern that I used, and I also angled it when I cut my number. Here is a tartan pattern that I have, and so I used one of my dies here for this, and this one was a silhouette word that I had cut with my silhouette, and then just used one striped stamp but in two different colors. So anyways, this is my video done. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.